All right. Next one. I can say his name right. All right. Let's clap for Vivek Samasundaram. Dylan, you left your red belt too.
You left everything. You were thoroughly embarrassed.
Introducing Mr. Samasundaram. This is looking kind of fidgety up here, isn't it? Oh, I gotta get you the microphone. Yeah, the microphone. There you go.
Hello, thank you. Thanks for asking us to say a few words about Vivek for completing his red belt level 3 and getting his black belt level 1. I want to say a few words about Vivek, how he got here. Actually, I'm happy that he got his black belt now, because if he gets it from 6 months from now, I don't have to stand here and talk because he will be an adult. Actually, thank you for giving us a chance to talk. Fortunately, I am not afraid of speaking in public because it's part of my job as I teach, and I also run the India Association. Vivek tried out soccer, cricket during his school days, but he didn't like them long enough to continue them regularly. He did like swimming, therefore he picked up for some time and then practiced but lost interest. A few summers ago, the nagging of his mom, he wanted to try this. Not all the kids, even though moms may be nagging you, it usually ends up as a good thing for you. Therefore, don't complain if moms nag you. Vivek agreed to try TKD. He came with lots of skepticism. He was not sure he's going to like it. Mom is nagging me, let me go there and then I will do one class. See, look, I didn't like it, let me go. That's what his attitude when he came. But fortunately for Mr. Fantil, after a few lessons, he really liked it and he kept at it. Therefore, almost 2.5 years later, we are here and he is achieving his first black belt. We are proud of his achievements, and we know he likes it a lot because he schedules all his school and extracurricular activities surrounding TKD. Therefore, if any teacher, he actually sad if he misses TKD. Therefore, it is a testament to Mr. Brad or any teacher or an instructor. If your child or student is unhappy missing your class, you are doing something right, right? Therefore, he's actually, thank you for that. Acquiring a black belt is great, but I want to emphasize that it is not a destination, but the beginning. We hope that he continues this as his journey, and we know he will do because all the colleges he's applying, he's looking whether there's a TKD program. Therefore, we are hopeful that he will continue. I just want to tell a story many times with Brad Fantil telling you what happened to Vivek when he got to high school. He came from a small school with 200 kids to a big high school with 2,000 kids. He didn't realize carrying a rolling backpack in a high school is going to be a no-no. Lot of kids started kicking on it. They used to trip him. Even somebody actually took a picture of him and put on a Twitter feed showing how funny or how no-no he is doing in high school. The first few months he was really sad that he was going to give up his backpack, a rolling backpack. But he decided, hey, if I do that, all the bullies win, I lose. I like it because I don't want to carry something heavy on my back and break my back. He decided to continue with it. Now he says he's going to graduate with his rolling backpacks in his graduation ceremony. I cannot 100% credit Brad Fantle for this because it happened just before he got there. But what I want to say is that this kind of a thing, very important, it gave him more sense of security and self-confidence that what you're trying to do is very important, just don't give up. Therefore, I thank the Academy for helping him keep that sense of self-resolve. Before I complete, I want to thank a couple of people here. Of course, Mr. Brad Fantle for being a great instructor, a friend, and a great human being. I also want to thank Mr. Zach Glickson and Ms. Grace, who have been helping him from the beginning and being there for us. And as Barbara said, we are first generation immigrants. The word friends and family is actually for us friends because we don't have any family here. The closest family for me, 3 cousins 2 times removed who lives in San Diego. Therefore, Dylan, Basha, Crisper, Jessica, Barbara, Lucy, Ian, and many of you have become a family to us. Thank you for the Academy for being accepted into your group. I'd also want to thank some of the black belt people, Mr. Buckley, Mr. Daniels, Mr. Cornelison, Mr. Winnell, who have been helping him be a good black belt by telling him what to do, and thank you for that. I'm just going to borrow a quote from Vivek. Once you get black, you never go back. Therefore, I hope he continues to black belt and goes on more and more levels of black belt and be a good role model for the younger kids to persevere and continue. And thank you again, and we are very happy to be in TKD. And as I said, we hope to continue either in Tallahassee or wherever he decides to go for college. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
All right, so one thing is we want to make sure we continue doing this with you guys who aren't there yet, is we can take your picture